manood sa Sunday after.
Gandang gabi, Vice. Yes.
Ngayon ang susunod na magtatanong ay si Walden Milet.
Direct, ano po yung mga preparations na ginawa niyo para alam niyo na yung mga John Lloyd and Sarah G na fans matutuwa dito sa movie?
Ayun, when I was given this project, syempre I was very excited. Syempre, sino ba naman, it's a blessing to be able to direct John Lloyd Cruz and Sarah Geronimo. So actually, hindi naman ganun kahirap yung preparation because even before, I've seen all their movies together. At sobrang love na love ko yung A Very Special Love. So dun pa lang, and I've been following their careers ever since they started. In fact, John Lloyd Cruz and I already worked together before when I was in the ScriptCon as a script continuity. And si Sarah din parang nag-head-to-head ako for a while nung one of her first shows sa ABS-CBN. So in terms of preparation, it's really more of collaborating with the actors. Meaning there was already a concept by the creative team of Star Cinema, and then we pitched it to them, and then based on that storyline, we collaborated with them. We asked for their inputs. Kaya rin siguro naging long yung process because we wanted the actors to have their inputs. And since 2013, nung last sila movie together, they've grown so much as an individual and as actors. Like si John Lloyd, he can be, for me, he can be a writer. He's very artistic, he's very creative. And then, sobrang ano yung process, yung sobrang mas more of, I can truly say it was very collaborative when it comes to the story. And then in terms of the background, we did some research also. Like Sarah plays a preschool teacher here and a pastry cook. So Sarah, nag-aral talaga siyang mag-bake ng cookies. And then nag-observe siya one day ng isang preschool kung paano